Welcome everybody. In this video, we are going to discuss web app pen testing lab and how to set up that and which softwares are required for a web app pen testing lab in your home network. Or so just check out the below tools like for a VM install. You have to require Oracle VirtualBox or VMware workstation player. Second one is a OS broken web application VM. So, and third one is a proxy community. It's a intermediate software. So it intercepts the request before read to the server from a browser request. So I will mention all the download links in a video description. Just check it out. For VMware workstation player, you can download it here from Windows or Linux based on your system. OS broken web application project, so you can download it from here. Burp shoot, so you can download it from the portswigger.net /burp. So here is the burp suite and three version: community version, professional version, and enterprise version. So for learning purpose or testing purpose, we are using a community version. It's a free of cost. For professional, you have to pay for a per year license subscription, or enterprise is the same. You have to pay the per year license subscription. So right now we are using a community version. So it's a free of course. So let's download the all mentioned links from the video description, and let's set up the web pen testing lab. Now set up the OS broken web app pen testing lab. So I have already installed the VMware workstation and already downloaded the OS broken web app. So just after extracting the OS broken web, just you can find out the VMware virtual machine configuration. After that, just open with the VMware player. So it will take 1 or 2 minutes time to boot up. Here you can see that the username and password, root and password is OS BWA broken web application. So just entering the username, password, ESPBWA. Now we can access the web app using IP address 192.168.33.131. So just minimizing that and opening the web browser. You can use any web browser. I am just using a Google Chrome. So it's take a time to open a Google Chrome. Just check it. Wait. Okay, now open. IP address 192.168.33.131. Now here is the our VMware virtual machine. So in this broken web app, you can find the multiple lab. For example, web code, Rails code, security SAP, the magical code injection rainbow, and DVWA, and many more. So in a single lab, you can find out the multiple web application. So you can test it from your end. So this is the we have set up the OS broken web application, and I have already installed the burp shoot, and I have created the shortcut. Just opening the burp shoot. In next video, we will discuss regarding the how to set up a burp shoot and how to intercept the request, so we can listen the uh, traffic. Now this is the our burp shoot tool. So yeah, this is the main dashboard. You can find out the task or issue activity if you have any found any vulnerability, event logs. So we will discuss in deep in next video. So just this is the I have installed the burp shoot and the OS broken web application and Hyper-V. So this is our simple lab for a home web app